What is Bluetooth mode and why would I use it? Bluetooth mode is for when you want remote access to your pellet grill using the mobile app, but you don't want to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. A Bluetooth mode is enabled on all Camp Chef pellet grills with the Wi-Fi controller. To get started, we'll add the device to your account using the mobile app. First, press on Add New Device and search for devices. Press on your device name and enter the Bluetooth pairing pin to connect. Skip over the Wi-Fi setup and confirm to add the device as a Bluetooth-only grill. Now you can see your grill in your device list. This allows you to reconnect easily after the app has been closed. In Bluetooth-only mode, you can connect and view temperatures using the mobile app. How do I add my Wi-Fi network to a Bluetooth-only grill? When you're connected to your grill, press Settings, Wi-Fi Network, and connect with your Wi-Fi network. This will convert your Bluetooth-only grill into a fully cloud-connected grill. And now that your grill is connected to your Wi-Fi network, you'll have access to notifications and cook histories and all other features inside the mobile app, just like every other Wi-Fi connected pellet grill. For any other questions, reach out to us at campchef.com.